Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve a limit problem. Limit as x approaches 0, x squared divided by absolute value of x. Okay. Now, first I check what direct substitution gives us here. And if we substitute here 0, we get 0 squared divided by absolute value of 0. And this will give us 0 divided by 0. This results in an indeterminate form. Since direct substitution does not work here, we need another approach to solve the problem. Let's look at the left hand and right hand limits. Limit as x approaches 0 from the right hand side, x squared divided by absolute value of x. For positive x, absolute value of x is equal to x. So limit as x approaches 0 from the right, we have x squared divided by x. And as then we now have here x multiplied by x. We can cancel these x's here and we get limit as x approaches 0 from right x, and this will be equal to 0. So as x approaches 0 from the right hand side, the expression goes to 0. And for negative x, let's limit as x approaches 0 from the right hand side, x squared divided by absolute value of x will be equal to limit as x approaches 0 from the right hand side. And for negative x, absolute value of x equals minus x here. So we have x squared divided by minus x. And limit as x approaches 0 from the right hand side, we here have x multiplied by x. We cancel these x's here and we have minus x, but this also will be equal to 0 again. Even though direct substitution gives us 0 divided by 0 for both these cases, both sides approach the same value here, and they approaches 0. This means that the function is not defined at x equals 0 because we get 0 divided by 0 if we substitute 0 for the function. But a function doesn't need to be defined at a point for the limit to exist. Since both the right hand limit and left hand limits are equal here, then we can say that the function has limit here and it is 0. Limit as x approaches 0, x squared divided by absolute value of x is 0. And in the next video, I will solve this problem. Limit as x approaches 0, sine 3x divided by 5x. See you in the next video.